Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer documents to OneDrive from SharePoint with Power Automate. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Power Automate website. Log in with your Microsoft account if you are not already logged in. In the Power Automate dashboard, click on the Create option in the left-hand menu. Select Automated Cloud Flow to start creating a new flow. In the Build an Automated Flow window, give your flow a name, such as Transfer Documents to OneDrive. Under Choose Your Flow's trigger, search for when a file is created or modified in SharePoint. Select the trigger and click Create. In the Site Address field, choose the SharePoint site where your documents are stored. In the Library Name drop-down, select the document library you want to monitor. Next, click on New Step to add an action. In the Action search box, type Get File Content and select it. In the File Identifier field, choose File Identifier from the Dynamic Content menu. Click New Step again to add another action. Search for Create File and select the OneDrive for Business action. In the Folder Path field, specify the destination folder in OneDrive where you want to transfer the documents. In the File Name field, enter file name from the Dynamic Content. In the File Content field, select File Content from the Dynamic Content. Click on Save to store your flow. Next, click on Test in the upper right corner of the screen to run a test of your flow. Choose to perform the trigger action in SharePoint, then initiate the test. After running the test, check the OneDrive folder to see if the document has been successfully transferred. If successful, your automated transfer from SharePoint to OneDrive is complete. If you encounter any errors, review the flow steps and ensure all fields are correctly filled out. With that, you have now created a complete automation for transferring documents using Power Automate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.